Hey, first graders, it is Mission 1, Lesson 8 today.
What do I do? I bet you can answer that question by now. In Zearn, we have our classroom lesson. That's what this video takes care of. And if you're in the classroom, it's called a small group lesson. So we're doing lesson 8 today. So you would go to Zearn and do your digital lesson 8. The brain is like a muscle. When I exercise it, it gets stronger. The classroom lesson is divided into 5 parts: fluency, word problem, concept development, debrief, and your exit ticket. Okay, here we go. Grade 1, Mission 1, Lesson 8. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of fun with this fluency. You're going to get up out of your chair, and we're going to do skip counting squats. We're going to count up from 0 to 20 and back 2 times. We're going to squat down and touch the floor on odd numbers and stand up for even numbers. And I have my little Bitmoji here to help you see what you're supposed to be doing on what number. Now, she can't touch the floor. She just does a sit position, but that means squat. So here we go. You're going to squat on 1 because it is odd. And you're going to stand on 2 because it is even. All right, that was just practice. Let's try to go back. Starting at 0, you're standing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so you're standing. 20 is an even number, so you're supposed to be standing right now. We're going to try it again, but we're going to go backwards. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this time we're going to do the same thing with the squatting and the standing, but when it's an even number, you're going to whisper. And when it's an odd number, you're going to say it in your head. That means nobody can hear it. Okay, you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We made it to 20. Great job. High five. You did it. Here is today's word problem. You see the hand with a pencil that reminds you to have something to write with, and you see the letters RDW. What does that stand for? Read, draw, write. Okay, we're going to go ahead and read the word problem. Raiden received 9 stickers at school. He received 5 stickers in the morning. How many stickers did he receive in the afternoon? Draw a picture, a number bond, and a number sentence to show how you know. Did you hear any numbers in that word problem? Yes, the numbers 9 and 5. I didn't really hear any key words that mean addition, but the fact that the words how many are there tells me that I need to be finding out a number. What are the units? What are we working with here? Stickers, that's right. So there we have our numbers highlighted and our units highlighted. So the first thing we need to do is draw a picture. We know that Raiden received 9 stickers. That is the total amount of stickers that he received. The question is, how many stickers did he receive in the afternoon? That's a mystery. We don't know. So what we're going to do is find out how many stickers he received in the morning. It says in the word problem, he received 5 stickers in the morning. So we're going to put M's on the first 5 stickers because that tells us that those stickers were received in the morning. I think we've solved our mystery. How many were left after the 5 from the morning were spoken for? Right, there's 4. So how many stickers did he receive in the afternoon? It looks like it has to be 4 to make the total 9. So we're going to draw our number bond. And we're going to put the total of 9. We're going to put the part of the stickers that he received in the morning, which we know is 5. And by looking at our picture, we figured out that the other part has to be 4. And we're going to do a number sentence to match what's happening. The 5 in the morning plus the 4 in the afternoon equals 9. What is the last step when we're solving a word problem? A statement, that's right. The question is, how many stickers did he receive in the afternoon? And we know the answer now. He received 4 stickers in the afternoon. So we could go back and put A's in those 4 circles to show that those are the stickers he received in the afternoon. Good work. Here we have our keywords chart to review that the words more, in all, and altogether mean to add. I didn't hear those today, but we need to know them because they're going to come later. Now we're ready for our concept development. What comes in groups of 10? Did you think of any of these things? Hands have 10 fingers. Hot dog packages usually come in packages of 10. 10 pennies are in a dime. A dime is like a package of 10 pennies. And finally, we have toes. We have 10 toes on our feet. We remember from kindergarten that 10 is an important number. If you were in the classroom, we would make Rec and Rec bracelets. They have 10 beads, one row of 5 red beads, and another row of 5 white beads. But because we don't have everybody together, we're going to use our virtual Rec and Rec. Look at this picture. What are the different parts you see? I'm going to pretend to hear you. I heard you say you saw 4 kids on the swing set. Show that on your bracelet. Think about how that would look. If you had a bracelet, this is how it would look. You would pull those 4 that are on the swing set all the way to the end, and there would be a big space between the 4 and the 6. If 4 kids were on the swings, how many kids were not on the swings? That's right. There were 6 not on the swings. What are the parts? 6 and 4. What strategy should we use to find the total? That's right, count on. Touch and count starting from 4. So we're going to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's your total? 10, that's right. We're going to record those parts of 10 we just discovered on our chart. Look at this picture again. What are some other different parts you see? I'm going to pretend to hear you. I heard you say you saw 1 kid walking a dog. And we're going to show that on our bracelet. And if you don't have a bracelet, just imagine how that would look. Okay, so we pulled 1 bead all the way to the other side, and that represents the kid walking the dog. There's just 1. If 1 kid was walking a dog, how many kids were not walking a dog? What are the parts? 1 and 9. What strategy should we use to find the total? Count on. Touch and count starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's your total? 10, that's right. We're going to record those parts of 10 we just discovered on our chart. What are some other different parts you see? Let's look at the person walking the dog. What is she wearing on her back? How many people are wearing one of those? Show that on the bracelet. That's right, there are 2 people wearing backpacks. So those 2 beads are pulled all the way to the end. If 2 kids were wearing a backpack, how many kids were not wearing a backpack? What are the parts? 2 and 8. What strategy should we use to find the total? Count on. Touch and count starting from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's your total? 10. We're going to record those parts of 10 we just discovered on our chart. Okay, look at the picture again. What are some other different parts you see? Let's look at the people playing jump rope. How many do you see playing jump rope? Could you show that on a bracelet? That's right, we're going to take those 3 and pull them all the way to the end. If 3 kids are playing jump rope, how many kids are not playing jump rope? That's right. So the parts are 3 and 7. What strategies should we use to find the total? Count on. Touch and count starting from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the total is 10. We're going to record those parts of 10 we just discovered on our chart. Okay, we're going to look at the picture again. What are some other different parts you see? Let's look at people whose feet are off the ground. How many of those do you see? How many people have their feet off the ground? Okay, so the bracelet would look like that. There are 5 people that have their feet in the air. If 5 kids have their feet off the ground, how many kids have their feet on the ground? That's right. It's an even split. What are the parts? 5 and 5. What strategy should we use to find the total? Count on. Touch and count starting from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your total is 10. We're going to record those parts of 10 we just discovered on our chart. There are many partners of 10. Last one. What are some other different parts you see? How many children are on the playground? Show that on a bracelet. That's right, all 10 are on the playground. If there are 10 kids on the playground, how many grown-ups are on the playground? 0. What are the parts? 10 and 0. What strategy should we use to find the total? Count on, that's right. Touch and count starting from 10. That's right, we'd have nothing to count. It's just simply 10. What's your total? 10. And we are done. These are the decompositions of 10. So we see the partners of 10. 4 and 6 are partners of 10. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 5 and 5, and 10 and 0 are all partners of 10. Now we are at our debrief. These are linking cubes showing the decompositions of 10. So when you look at these, you see the partners of 10. Here's 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, and then it goes on. 6 and 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, and then we have 10. What patterns do you see? The first thing I see is this diagonal line. It looks to me like every time pink gains one, green loses one. So the pink is growing and the green is shrinking. And that's what's happening from left to right. You look left to right, left to right, left to right. The pink are growing and the green are shrinking. Are there any sticks that have the same parts? Do you remember the partners of 5 that are the same numbers? 5 plus 5 equals 10. So here you have a stick that has 5 of pink and 5 of green. How are these sticks different from anyone else, any other stick? They are the only ones that say we are completely fair, we're even, we have the same number of each color. Exit ticket, you were awesome today. Fly on over and do your exit ticket. Bye.